Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to work on the Old McDonald from Vamoosh Violin 1. Piece is really going to help you to improve the proficiency of your left hand on the fingerboard. Let's see how. If we look at the first line, the first note that we have to play is a G, 3 fingers on D. Now, what we want to try and do is putting only the third finger down on the D string, not all of the 3 fingers, just the third finger. Okay, and we go G, 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 D. Then in the next bar, we're going to put our first finger on D to play the E. D, E, D. So, I'll try and play this for you again. Third finger on the D string, just the third finger. And I'm starting. G, 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 D. 1, 1, D. Okay? And in bar number 3, instead, we move on to the A string. And we have B, B, A, A, which means we have to place our first finger on the A string and go. And then in the last bar, we have again A, G, which means that again, I have to place my third finger on the D string and go. So bar number 3 and bar number 4, B, B, A, G. Okay? So the very important thing here is that you really try and use your third finger independently rather than go down with all the other fingers. Okay? So if I show you again from the beginning, I'm only putting my third finger down. This is the beginning of the first line, yeah? Third finger. B, A, and the third finger on D. Now, let's have a look at the second line. The second line really gives you the opportunity to use your third finger independently. In fact, what we play here is just G and D. These are the 2 notes that we use in the second line of the piece. G, third finger on D, again here. Okay, and we really need to have a look at the pattern because in the first 2 bars you play G, 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 D, G, 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 D. In the third bar of the second line, it alternates. It goes G, D, G, D, and then it goes again G, 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 D. Okay, so you really need to look at when your third finger should be down on the string or when it should be down and then lifted to play the D string. So if I play you from the beginning of the second line, it sounds G, 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 D, G. And now, and change. As you can see, I was really putting down just my third finger. I wasn't going. I was using just my third finger. That is really important that you try and do that, okay? Change. And again. And then the piece plays again from the beginning. If you try a little exercise that you can do to enhance your left hand independency. For example, if I start on the D string, you can try and work out a pattern that goes open D, then the first finger, then open D, second finger, and then open D, third finger. This way. D, first, D, second, D, third. And then you can go backward. D, 3, D, second, D, first. Okay? But every time you use the fingers, you just have to make sure that you put down only the fingers that you're intended to play, not all of the others. Okay, so D, first, D, second, D, third, and then you can play with the fantasy. You can go D, 3, D, 1, D, 2, D, 1, D, 3, D, 3. You can also do this on the A string, just for a change. Like... So you play the open string and then one of the fingers, alternating. Okay, so A, or you can go. So you can use both of the strings and make some, nice little tunes that will help you going better with your left hand. Great, I really hope you enjoyed this mini lesson and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.